Here comes John Cena, the last real champion, making his entrance on SmackDown after WrestleMania. Few days ago on Monday Night Raw, Randy Orton attacked John Cena with an RKO, stunned him, destroyed him in the middle of the ring. So tonight, John Cena will talk about the attack, will address the attack. The GOAT of WWE, the greatest of all time, asking the announcer to come inside the ring as John Cena has problem with the announcement again.
I have been informed again that my announcement has been deemed
I told ya.
disrespectful.
True. Fucking true.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the greatest of all time. Grayson Thornworth with his presence for the final time.
Yeah.
Last real champion,
Cena! Let's go, Cena! Oh! Here comes the Apex Predator, the Viper. Randy Orton has a lot of problems with John Cena since he turned heel. So many times Randy Orton tried to insult and make fun of John Cena. And finally, Orton got his hands on John Cena last Monday night on Raw. And now the Viper is here to confront his former best friend, his best rival of all time. Two of the greatest of all time. Randy Orton stalking John Cena. The Viper is here to strike again.
Randy Orton is what I leave here. Make sure 3 generations of your family is erased.
Oh. Randy Orton challenged John Cena and told him to defend the championship right here, right now on SmackDown.
Let's go, Cena.
But will John Cena accept the challenge for SmackDown? Cena is definitely not going to defend. He said no for right now. Oh, John Cena with a cheap shot on Randy Orton. Throws the title towards him. And when Randy was catching the title, Cena attacked him with a punch and now with the kicks. John Cena is looking for revenge. He was here for revenge. Cena wants to attack Randy Orton with the title. But will he succeed against the Viper? No! RKO by the Apex Predator. Randy Orton. Again, RKO John Cena. Look at the physique of the Viper. Hearing voices in his head. Randy freaking Orton. Randy Orton just feeling it. For the second time in this week, Randy Orton hits John Cena with the RKO, the 3 most dangerous letters in the history of sports entertainment. Will this be the scene at Backlash when John Cena defend the undisputed championship against Randy freaking Orton? Is Randy Orton the new undisputed champion? The title is looking cool on Orton though. And now Drew McIntyre is looking to end LA Knight. Oh God! Damian Priest is here. Smashing Drew McIntyre. As on WrestleMania we saw Drew McIntyre defeated Damian Priest in Sin City Street Fight. Damian Priest again here to assault Drew McIntyre. Oh, a punch by the Punisher. Former Judgment Day member, former world champion Damian Priest choke slams Drew McIntyre onto the announcer's table. The table is crushed. So as Drew McIntyre is destroyed. Damian Priest. Oh God, Fatu attacks Damian Priest and LA Knight both. The United States champion Yarami smashes Damian Priest into the steel post. And now LA Knight sends directly into the steps. Everybody is chanting the name Fatu. Hip attack and a splash to Priest. LA Knight is in position. Fatu with a mighty moonsault on LA Knight, the United States champion. Hip attack on Damian Priest. Damian Priest is getting destroyed every single time. First Drew McIntyre and now mighty moonsault by Fatu. Priest is screaming and crying with pain. So as LA Knight, the United States champion, stands tall and now.
Hey, who the hell you?
Oh, Black Mask. Aleister Black is back in WWE. A shocking comeback from Black. Let's go. Triple threat ladder match for WWE Tag Team titles. DIY versus Street Profits versus MCMG. Oh, Street Profits. Montez Ford. Oh, Gargano takes him out, but now Dawkins. God! This is SmackDown, ladies and gentlemen. Montez Ford. Oh God! The Street Profits are fighting strong to defend their tag team titles successfully in this ladder match. Oh God! Bang! Tommaso Ciampa in trouble. What the hell is Angelo Dawkins thinking? What the hell is this man trying to do? Angelo Dawkins from the top. Oh God, Spears Tommaso Ciampa from the top of the ladder. Look at the replay here from different camera angles. Look at this. Bang! A very dangerous spot. Everybody is shocked and everybody is chanting holy shit. The referee is checking. Oh, Johnny Gargano and Chris Sabin. Montez Ford is doing something smart here. Smashes Sabin onto the ladder and now Gargano. Oh, Sabin again. Gargano again. Oh, and just like that, Montez Ford and Angelo Dawkins retains the title. Subscribe Wrestling Phenomena for more interesting wrestling content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.